Here the program is as told to you in the previous lecture, that the program is to take the numbers in an array and then print the numbers in even positions in one line and the numbers in odd positions in other line. What I mean to say, input n numbers from the user, print the numbers in even positions in one line and the number in odd positions in another line. So this is the program, this is the program statement. You check out, even numbered position numbers has to be printed in one line and odd numbers in another line. Say for example, I have user has entered say 7, 8, 9, 3, 12, 4, 15, 6. These are the numbers user have entered. Now you have to print the output. How? The output should be like this: 7, 9, 12, 15. Check out why. In even positions, 0, 2, 4, 6. 0th position, 7, even position. 9, 12, 15 in one line. And the other numbers, 8, 3, 4, 6. Check out what? 8, firstly 8 in another line. 8, then 3, then 4, then 6 in another line. So this is what is expected from you. So how to write this program? Very simple. You have to firstly scan the whole thing within an array. You have to scan the whole thing within an array first. So definitely you need an array. Hash define n100 is there. So int arr 100. Will I write 100? No, I can write n. N means automatically 100. Hash define means everywhere n is found within the program, it will be replaced by 100. So n has been replaced by 100. So int arr n. Next what? Next I want to scan these numbers from the user. So firstly let me ask from the user printf how many numbers will you enter. So that is something you ask from the user. How many numbers will you enter? So you scan that, or previously I was trying to enter the number of values to be entered, whatever. So how many numbers will you enter? And now I scan it. Scan it within, is this %d or %f? Definitely %d. How many numbers? Maybe 5 numbers, maybe 8 numbers, maybe 11 numbers. Scanf %d ampersand n. Now you have to scan the array. For that part you do as usual, printf enter the %d numbers one by one. That is, if the user enters 5, I am telling him enter the 5 numbers one by one. So this %d has to be replaced by n. Now you scan it. How to scan? There are many numbers to be scanned. So for loop needed. For I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Remember why I equal to 0? Because once I have declared arr 100, that means 100 variables have been declared starting from arr 0 to arr 99, which I explained in the previous two programs. So arr 100 means arr 0 to arr 99. 100 numbers have been declared. Now to scan those 100 numbers starting from arr 0 to arr 99, how to scan it? Scanf %d ampersand arr I. Why arr I? Because initially I is 0. So scanning in arr I means scanning to arr 0. Next time when you go back, I is 1. So scanning in arr I means scanning in arr 1, and so on. Last time n minus 1, I will enter with a value n minus 1. It will never enter with a value equal to n, but it will enter with a value equal to n minus 1. So last time it will scan within arr n minus 1. So all the numbers have been scanned over here. Now to print all the even numbers in one place, one line, and the odd numbers in another line. So printf, the numbers, not the even numbers, the numbers positioned in the even places, the numbers in the even positions of the array are, the numbers in the even position of the array are /n. So I will print the whole thing in one line, the numbers in the even positions. How to print them? See, ARR 0 is an even position, ARR 2 is an even position, ARR 4 is an even position. If you have a look at this example, 0th position, second position, this is ARR 0, this is ARR 1, this is ARR 2. So ARR 0 in one line, ARR 2 in the same line, ARR 4 in the same line, ARR 6 in the same line. So ARR 0, I will continue from ARR 0 and then 2, then 4, then 6 I will have to print. So definitely for I equal to 0, I less than, what will it become? Now this is interesting. Say, will I need to print the n minus 1th position or will I not? Say over here, there were 8 numbers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0th, 2nd, 4th, 6th. So this you are printing. Now over here, what will you do? For I equal to 0, yes, I less than n, I plus plus. If I write I plus plus, then after 0, it will go to 1. So if I print ARR I, it will print ARR 0. If I write I plus plus, next time it will come with I equal to 1 and will print ARR 1, which is wrong. So no, not I plus plus. I plus equal to 2, that is I equal to I plus 2. Why? Because for I equal to 0 if you enter, you are printing ARR I means you are printing ARR 0. Next time I is 0 plus 2, I is 2. So next time what will you print? ARR 2. So simply printing %d followed by ARR I should be enough. See how? You are entering with I equal to 0. So printing ARR 0. Next time I is 2, I plus equal to 2. So I is equal to I plus 2 means I is 2. So you are printing ARR 2. Next time I plus equal to 2, I is 4. So you are printing ARR 4. Next time I plus equal to 2, I is 6. So you are printing ARR 6. And so on. So you are printing the numbers in the even positions. Please put one gap just to ensure that this is in a proper, it looks proper. There is a gap in between them. Now, say suppose this is printing all the even numbers. Next what? Printf. I will have to again printf. Printf what? The numbers, sorry, I need to read the quote. In the odd positions, are, odd positions of the array are /n again for, tell me what, I equal to 0. See, ARR 0 you don't want to print. You want to print ARR 1. You want to print ARR 3. You want to print ARR 5. So definitely same I plus equal to 2, but you have to start from I equal to 1. So that first time you are printing ARR 1, next time I plus equal to 2, I will become 3. So what are you printing? You are printing ARR 3. Next time I plus equal to 2, I is 5. So what will you print? ARR 5. Next time I plus equal to 2, I is 7. What will you print? ARR 7. So all the numbers in the odd positions will be printed. So printf %d ARR I should be fine, but don't forget one gap, because otherwise all the numbers will be printed one after the other without any gap. Will it print? It will print, but the look will be slightly odd. Why? Because of this line. You check, I will run this program once, but before that declare, you need to declare I, you need to declare n. So these are the things you need to declare. Once this is declared, now you can start with your program. They will be slightly oddly printed. Okay, so let me run the program now. But before running, one thing to be pointed out, I have somehow mistakenly given a semicolon over here. So let me get rid of this semicolon and let me run this program now. Alt-R. You will find there is some problem over here. There will be, the look will be slightly odd. Let me run this program. Alt-R, enter. How many numbers will you enter? 6. Say 23, 21, 76, 31, 79, 80, 6 numbers. See, the numbers in the even position of the array are 23, 76, 79. It's absolutely fine. Check out 23, then after 21 comes 76 odd positions, then 79, fine. Then immediately in that line it is saying the numbers in the odd positions of the array are, and then printing 23, 31, 80. I told you the look will be slightly bad. Check out why. Because over here when you are printing every number and putting a gap. Remember, you are not putting a /n, you are printing the numbers in the same line. All the numbers in the even positions you are printing in the same line, so you are putting a gap. So after the last number you printed, you also have put a gap, and after that gap you immediately come over here and start printing. So that new line, here you have not told that you must print from a new line, because the last print kept the control in the same line. The last printing also kept the control in the same line. So here before printing this, you must go to a new line. So a /n is needed over here. See, this is something new you are seeing. /n before the printing, because the last printing had not given the /n. Last printing had been have kept the control in the same line. So here you are putting a /n just to ensure that you start printing from the new line. Let me run it again. Alt-R, enter. 6 numbers again, say that 43, 98, 76, 52, 91. So one more, maybe 12. The numbers in the even positions of the array are 43, 76, 91, 98, 52, 12. Absolutely fine. Let me run it once more. This time maybe I will give 7 numbers: 32, 87, 65, 21, 76, 52, 90, 7 positions. So see, 32, then 65, then 76, then 90, absolutely fine. Then 87, 21, 52, also absolutely fine. So here there are 7 numbers, 7 numbers in even positions: 0, 2, 4, 6, and 3 numbers in odd position: 1, 3, and 5. 7th position is not there. There is nothing. Here up to here 6 is there. So 0, 2, 4, 6 in the first line, even positions, and 1, 3, 5 in the odd positions. So I believe you understand this. Let me just run this program once more. So again with 6 numbers. This time I enter 2, 34, 450, 3, 45, 7, and that's it. And that's it. See, let me run it. The numbers in the even positions of the array are 2, 450, 45, and odd positions of the array are 34, 3, 7. It is fine, but the look is not that good, because see, between 2 and 450 one gap, the 4 starts from a certain position, 45 starts from a different position. See, 45 and 7, they don't start from the same positions. See, it looks like 45 is the third number, then again 7 is the third number, but 45 starts from a certain position of the line, 7 starts from a different position of the line. Can you just rectify this? How to rectify this? Say, while printing, instead of this gap, I don't give the gap, but instead of printing like this, I don't print a gap, I write percent, say 4D or 5D. Here also, instead of this gap, I write percent 5D. I explain to you the reason, the meaning of this. Let me see whether you understand. Alt-R, enter. So 7 positions. Say the 7 numbers: 450, 2, 23, 7, 8, 86, 1, 98, 7 numbers I have entered. See how it looks. 450, 23, 86, 98, 2, 7, 1. See, deliberately I had put the small numbers in odd positions and the big numbers in the even position, but see how even it looks. 450, 23, 86, 98. 450 starts from a position. 2 also. See, almost it ends in the same position. So 450 and 2 looks like the first number. 23, it ends in the same position as that of 7. 86 ends in the same position as that of 1. So understand, this looks nice because 450 will be taken in, I had written %5D. So 450 totally should be taking 5 spaces. So before 450, 2 spaces are left out. So because 450 is a 3-digit number, so 450 is taking how many spaces in total? 5 spaces. 2 spaces blank before 450 and 450 takes 3 digits, so 5 spaces. 23, 3 blank spaces are left out. So 23, 2-digit number, 3 blank spaces and 2, 5 digits it is taking. Similarly 2 is also taking 5 digits, it is leaving out 4 digits, 4 blank spaces before 2 and then writing 2, so that 2 takes 5 digits. 7, same thing, 4 blank spaces before 7 and then 7 takes 2 digits. So in this way it has been written in a smooth way. The whole things look very nice. So this is how you can put the design. This %5 has helped you in doing the same. So I think you understand this whole program, how to write it, how it has been done, the whole thing you have understood. One thing I want to tell you over here is, see, one thing you must notice, when I am printing the numbers in the even positions, I am printing 0, position 0, position 2, position 4, position 6. When you are printing the numbers in the odd positions, you are printing position 1, position 3, position 5, position 7 and so on. Now, does the user understand like this? Does the user understand that 0 is an even number and you have started from 0? See, for the user, if the user, look at this example. When you are printing even positions, you are printing this. When you are printing odd positions, you are printing this. Now, you are saying this is even because this is 0, this is 2, this is 4, this is 6. But have a view from the user's point of view. For the user, is this 0, is this 2, is this 4, is this 6? For the user, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. For the user, is not so. Does not the user think that this is the first number? Sorry. Does not the user think that this is the first number? Does not the user think that this is the second number? Does not the user think that this is the third number? He thinks that this is the fourth number. Similarly, he thinks this is the fifth number. Similarly, he thinks this is the sixth number. This is the seventh number. And the last one is the eighth number. So see, for the user, it is not 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You know, internally you know C works like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But user does not know. User thinks that this is first, this is second. So when user is thinking of even positions, user does not think it is 7, 9, 12, 15. Instead, user thinks that even positions are this. Even 2, 4. What is even? 0 is not there. 2, 4, 6, 8. These are even. For the user, these are odd. Why? Because for the user, these are positions 1, 3, 5, 7 and so on. For the user, odd position means 1, 3, 5, 7. User thinks these are the odd positions and these are the even positions. I believe I could make you understand. So actually, when you print, it is better to say that these are the numbers in the odd positions, because ARR 0 for the user. Remember, here you are printing ARR 0. For the user, ARR 0 is the first number. So this is an odd position for the user. You are printing ARR 0. ARR 0 is the first number, which for the user is an odd position. You are printing ARR 2, but ARR 2 is the third number for the user, which is an odd position. Instead, when you are printing ARR 1, for the user it is the second position, because user does not know 0. User knows it is the second number. So this is an even position for the user. So these are actually the even position for the user. So let me run this program once and again you try to understand. Say I print 6 numbers 1, 7, 3, 2, 4, 9. For the user, check out. Odd positions are 1, 3, 4. This is the first number, third number and fifth number. Odd positions 1, 3, 4. And even positions are the second number, fourth number and second number, fourth number and the sixth number 7, 2, 9. So this is a more appropriate way of writing the program. You have to make it more understandable. User, when you are in this black screen, try to think that you are the user. You don't know anything about the programming. You are only executing the program. Like when you play a game, you don't know how that game is made. You only see the output of the game. Like that, here also you are using an interface. You are using an application. That application, how it is built, you don't know. You are not the programmer. So over here you only know that whatever I have understood, these odd positions are correct. 1, 3, 4 are the numbers in the odd position. First position, third position and fifth position. Whereas 7, 2, 9 are the numbers in the even position. Second position, fourth position, sixth position. So I believe you understand this. We can take a bit of break and come back. But before coming back, I will tell you, please think that I will write this in the next program. What I will write. I am telling you the thing so that you can write that program yourself and come back. I will keep this program as it is. Now your job is to take the sum of the numbers in the odd positions and the sum of the numbers in the even positions and tell which one is bigger. The sum of the numbers in the even positions are bigger or sum of the numbers in the odd positions are bigger. That is what you need to tell. I think you understand. The numbers will be scanned again. Odd positioned numbers will be added. Even positions number will be added. You have to tell which one is bigger. Hardly very little changes you need to make to this program. Anyway, when we come back, we'll come back with that. We can take a bit of break and come back. Thank you.